Have you ever wanted to know how to get out of jury duty? There are exemptions that apply, but just in case you're not exempt, I'm going to teach you a simple trick to avoid serving on a jury. You've probably heard the 12 people seated in the jury box referred to in movies as being too stupid to get out of jury duty. Well, the rule number one of warfare is to know your enemy so you can defeat him. Before I can teach you how to avoid jury duty, you need to learn the reasons that your valuable time is being wasted. If you know the reasons for jury duty, then you'll be better prepared for battle. Many people forget that we didn't always have jury trials in this country. A long time ago, some people decided that they were tired of not having power over anyone, so they started a ruckus against the guy that was in charge at the time. At the time, he was responsible for the court system, and he was doing everyone a favor since he oversaw it personally. He was a great guy, and he even volunteered to be the judge and jury. He would sit at the head of the court, listen to all that boring evidence that we despise, then he would issue a ruling. Well, those people that didn't like his style decided that they wanted to be the jury since they were super power hungry and just wanted to finally be in charge of something for a change. They didn't ask us how we felt about it or even consider how we would feel about being burdened with these extra civic responsibilities. In fact, I bet they didn't even consider that some people liked the old system and wouldn't want to be a juror. So this ruckus that they started with the guy in charge turned out to be a pretty big deal, and it even cost thousands of lives. Literally, thousands of men and women have died fighting for jury duty. Silly, right? Well, because of their selfish, jury-loving ways, the main guy in charge that had volunteered to act as the judge and the jury got the boot. Those stupid jury lovers got what they wanted, and we got stuck with this silly constitution. There wasn't anything wrong with the old system, right? I mean, how much simpler could it get? We just had to go to one guy for everything. His ruling was final. I mean, appeal? Forget about it. Sure, some people got imprisoned if he was feeling especially grumpy that day, and sure, he may have executed some people mistakenly, but that's no reason for us to have to go to jury duty. So, now that you know your enemy, now that you know the reasons that we got stuck with jury duty, and now you know about the thousands of men and women that died thinking that we wanted the freedom to govern ourselves, now you're ready to avoid jury duty. It's this simple. Just don't go. Sure, there could be a penalty. Yeah, you could go to jail for not going to jury duty. But in that case, just demand a jury trial because those people will definitely be sympathetic to your pain. We hope you enjoyed this obviously sarcastic video. If you enjoyed it, then you can help us grow by subscribing to our channel. If you know someone that has been complaining about their upcoming jury duty, then please send them this video. Be sure to check out some of our other videos, especially our last video about how to get picked for a jury. From all of us here at Matthew Harris Law, we appreciate you watching.